Is your spreadsheet putting you to sleep faster than a lullaby? Well, today we're going to talk about how to turn your sheet into a visual party. That's right, we're going to be talking about the magic of conditional formatting in Smartsheet. Hey everybody, welcome to The Practical Place. My name is Ryan Holguin, and today we are going to look at conditional formatting in Smartsheet. Now, along with showing you examples of how to use conditional formatting, I'm going to actually give you 3 different category types of how to think about your project data that you can not only make it look visually appealing and pop out, but it's going to be organized for reporting and rolling up to a dashboard. Hopefully this video not only helps you specifically with conditional formatting, but it helps you think bigger than that as far as how to organize your data. Enough of the introduction. Let's go ahead and jump on over to my screen and get right into it. All right, as you can see on this sheet, I have a list of popular songs. I have a column for the artist. I have a column for the actual song itself, the genre, and then the number of plays. Like I said, in the intro, I want to think about this in 3 different categories. The first category is going to be a hierarchy-based formatting. We're going to think about this in terms of whenever a row is nested under another row. In Smartsheet, that would be, a parent-child relationship. As you can see here, a tidbit for you is to have a level column, and then you're going to hide this column typically, and you're going to do a column formula where it's going to count the ancestors underneath that parent row. This is basically a helper column for your formatting. And if you don't know what a helper column is, I actually made a video about it. You can go check that out. And we're going to base our formatting off of this column. That's why it's really helpful to have this level column. You can do this manually, but if you have a large data set, then it's probably helpful to do a column formula like I have here. You can pause the video and copy this into your sheet. Anyways, we have our level here, and we're going to do a hierarchy-based formatting. This is already nested. You can see that here. If I collapse everything, it's pretty easy to read, right? There's only 4 different categories, 4 different genres. But imagine if you had hundreds of different data points within your data set. That's going to get a little complicated. Having a hierarchy-based formatting is really helpful from a visual standpoint. I'm going to expand everything here. I'm going to go to my conditional formatting button here, and I want to base everything based off of my level. I'm going to go to the condition here. If the level is going to be 1, this is our parent row here. I'm going to select OK. I want to go ahead and color the entire row just because it's going to give me a nice easy look at it. I want to color this. Let's go with green, and then I'm gonna make the font bold, and then I want to make the font white. That is an example of hierarchy-based formatting. It just gives you a high-level view visually of what you're looking at, where things are broken up, and how you're organizing your data. That is example number 1 of how to format your data. Example number 2 is going to be category-based formatting. Let me expand all of this right now. I want to format this by a certain category. In this specific data set, I have different genres of music. I want it to highlight that specific cell based on the category or genre that it's in. What I want to do is I want to color everything pop. Here's my category column here that I want to base my formatting off of. Let's go back up to the formatting column, and I'm going to say set condition. When genre is pop, I want to color it pop. I think let's do light blue. I don't want to do the entire row. It defaults to formatting the entire row. I don't want to do that. I just want to do it to the genre. As you can see here, let me get out of that. Everything that is pop is going to be highlighted. Let's just imagine I unnest all of these. Now it's a lot easier to see which one pop is. If I want to duplicate this, or clone is what the language Smartsheet uses. If I want to clone this rule and I just want to apply it to R&B now, I can just color that different. That's going to be green. And let me go through all of these music genres here, just so you can get a good feel of what it looks like. Let's do purple, and what are we missing? Rock and rap. Yeah, we have a rap here. Let's do gray for rap, and rock is gonna be red for rock. Okay, as you can see here, I'm gonna save this. I have everything formatted by a specific category that I set in my data set. Here in this case, it's a genre. In your case, it could be a certain type of business unit. It could be a status type. However you categorize your projects, that's how you can look at formatting your data in a category-based way. That's example number 2. And example number 3 is gonna be more of a value-based formatting. The values that I have here is the number of plays. Now, I don't really know. This is just dummy data. This is not, exact. Don't get offended if your favorite song on here doesn't have the most plays, but this is just dummy data. I want to base this off a specific value. In this case, I have a lot of different plays. I kind of want to do like a red, amber, green flow based on a certain threshold. Let's say anything over 2 million views is going to be green. I'm going to say for plays, anything greater than 2 million. I want to format it green. Let's do it like that. And I only want to do the plays column. All right, let me clone this and let me do anything that is less than 2 million, but let me see what's our data set here. Let's keep this. All right, let's do between 1.5 million and 2 million plays. I'm gonna clone it. I'm gonna say anything that is less than 2 million, but greater than 1.499999. But yeah, anything between 1.5 million plays and 2 million plays is gonna be yellow. Let's go here and let's go to yellow. We have that colored now, and I'm gonna clone it. Now, anything less than 1.5 million plays is gonna be red. Let's get rid of this. Let me make sure I got everything here. Yeah, 2 commas, okay. Anything less than gonna be red. I have everything covered here. It looks like this 2 million is not getting recognized. We're gonna troubleshoot this because it's greater than it. Let's just say 1.99. Okay, that's better. 2 million and higher basically is what we're doing here. As you can see here, we have the 3 different categories based on a certain value. Everything that is 2 million plays and above is gonna be green. Anything between 1.5 and 2 million is gonna be yellow. And then anything under than 1.5 million plays is going to be red. There you go, guys. That is 3 different ways to think about how to format your data in Smartsheet using the conditional formatting feature. Now, as I said in the beginning of the video, I hope this not only teaches you how to actually use the tool itself within Smartsheet, but I hope it helps you think on a broader scale of how to think about your data as a project manager. When it comes to conditional formatting, the tool is only as good as how well you organize your data. When you put data into your system, make sure it's organized, make sure it's categorized in the correct way, in the ways that you and your business are trying to grow and improve. And I'm sure that's going to pay off for you, not only in your career, but with your business as well. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If I missed anything or was unclear about anything, let me know in the comments below. If you liked this video, if you found value out of this video, make sure to click the like button. I would really appreciate that. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe if you are somebody who is interested in project management, or you are an aspiring project manager, or currently a young project manager in your career. That's gonna do it for today's video. We will see you next time.